Yeah, in this video we are going to see how to use the loop in assembly. For loop we have to use the serial register, and we have to give number of amount we have to loop to the serial register. So dot model small dot stack data type 100 hex dot data, and I'm going to loop message defined byte. I'm going to loop the hello message, and hello. Yeah, now the coding part. Code move ax comma at data, then move data segment from ax to data segment, then move message, right? So dx comma offset message ah comma 09h in 21h. That's the part we are going to loop, and then I have to call the loop function. So for loop function we have to give which part we have to do. So we have to define a name like a variable. We have to define a name for loop one. So I'm going to loop one. It's loop one, and which part we are going to loop? Here, this part. Here, loop one. And yeah, this is the part we have to loop, and we call it from the loop function. And now we have to define how many times we have to loop, right? So as I said, move, we use serial register, and number of times five times we have to loop number of register, then end in the code, right? So move ax comma 4000h in 21h, and end in the code. Okay, let's see. tasm while test2 dot asm, no errors. So t link in the object file, t link while test2 obj, then execute the file test2. So here you see it has execute hello 5 times. So if we want to get a next line, we can put 10 here, or we can use 10 repeatedly here, like move dl comma 10, move ah comma 0 to h in 21. Simply easy, right? So compiling, linking, execute, easy, right? So for the how to print number from 5 to 1, we can use the serial value. So if a number we have to use, let's say my value is here, I'm going to loop the number 7. So here I'm going to use the number 7. That means I have to use DL register, and I have to give the message number 7. And in, we all know we have, for the number 7, it's get the value number 7, so we have to get the ASCII value. So I'm going to add 48 to DL register, 48. So that's why we use DL here, and then we have to run it simply, right? Easy. So, and sorry, yeah, here we have to use 0902h because we have to print the character, ASCII character. So now compiling, no errors, linking, executing. Here, see errors. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to use the CL register value. Here, CL register value. Then what it's doing is it's executing the value from the series here. 5 4 3 2 1, it's execute uh, value in CL register, and you see it's going to descending order, right? CL descending order. So what it's doing, it's here it's compiling, then running this one. CL have 5 times, so here we have defined the function, and here it's calling the loop function, this function, then it execute this 5 times repeatedly and ending. So it's a code. Thank you.